The sun is a violent place filled with boiling plasma and unpredictable eruptions. The highest resolution photos and videos ever taken of its surface show that action in unprecedented detail. The Sun is a G-type main sequence star that comprises about 99.86% of the mass of the solar system. The Sun's activity, known as space weather, has a significant effect on Earth and the other planets of the solar system. Periodic eruptions, also known as solar flares, release considerable amounts of electromagnetic radiation which can interfere with everything from satellites and air travel to electrical grids. For this reason, astrophysicists are trying to get a better look at the sun so they can predict its weather patterns. This is the purpose behind the numerous probes and telescopes built only to study sun. The NSF's 4-meter Daniel K. Inouye Solar Telescope, formerly known as Advanced Technology Solar Telescope, is located at the Haleakala Observatory on the island of Maui, Hawaii. Recently, this facility released its first images of the sun's surface, which reveal an unprecedented level of detail and offer a preview of what this telescope will reveal in the coming years. Now, what are you looking at is the most detailed picture of sun's surface. These show a close-up view of the sun's surface, which can provide important detail for scientists. The images show a pattern of turbulent boiling plasma that covers the entire sun. The shell-like structures are the signature of violent motions that transport heat from the inside of the sun to its surface. The size of these cells are much bigger. The sun currently fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second, converting 4 million tons of matter into energy every second. It will continue to do so for the next 5 billion years. The energy is the source of the sun's light and heat. But the energy cannot reach to the surface of the sun instantly, as the photons created in the core get scattered while traveling to the surface, and they take about 10,000 to 170,000 years to come to the surface. The heat energy comes to the surface in a process known as convection. Hot solar plasma rises in the bright centers of shells, cools, then sinks below the surface in dark lanes. This gives rise to the formation called solar granules. Granules on the photosphere of sun are caused by convection currents of plasma within the sun's convective zone. The grainy appearance of the solar photosphere is produced by the tops of these convective cells and is called granulation. The motions of sun's plasma constantly twist and tangle solar magnetic fields. Twisted magnetic fields can lead to solar storms that can negatively affect our technology-dependent modern lifestyles. During 2017, Hurricane Irma, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration reported that a simultaneous space weather event brought down radio communications used by first responders, aviation, and maritime channels for 8 hours on the day the hurricane made landfall. The newest picture released by NSF is going to be much helpful to study the surface of the sun in a more detailed manner. NSF's new ground-based Inouye Solar Telescope will work with space-based solar observation tools such as NASA's Parker Solar Probe, currently in orbit around the sun, and the Solar Orbiter by ESA and NASA jointly, launched on 10th February. The solar observation initiatives will expand the frontiers of solar research and improve scientists' ability to predict space weather. In the next video, we will learn more about our sun and the solar flares in detail. Thanks for watching. Please like, share this video, and if you liked it, please subscribe to my channel.